Driving school on Pitkin Avenue, Brooklyn, New York. One of the area here. We cover at Pierre driving school. All right, I'm gonna pick up a student here. All right, so let's do a lesson there. Driving school on Pitkin Avenue. If you are living in this area and you want Pierre driving school to help you, feel free to check our website on the show note down there. All right, so we are everything about driving here. Okay, if you're new here, may consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell, so each time we drop a video, you'll be the first one to be notified. All right, we are covering the entire New York area, the entire Brooklyn area, if you will. And if we don't cover your neighborhood, we can meet at the office, or we do a meet-up points. All right, so we're gonna do our lesson right here, just like always. Okay, early morning, it's got the traffic built up a bit, but we can manage. So lesson today is on Pitkin Avenue, Brooklyn, New York. I'm gonna move one lane over to the right. A lot of activities going on here for this early morning, but hey, this is New York, you know. Don't expect any less. Shoulder right, beautiful. Good. Signal all of your attention, okay? All right, folks, we cover our lesson right here. Show you things that there are for you to do. Not only that, to become a safe driver, and also to be able to drive on your own and to make decisions, and hopefully, if you don't have a license, to be able to pass your license. So we're all about driving at Pierre Driving School. We make sure that we can deliver as much content as we can as it relates to driving. And this channel here, we cover everything driving. If you have any questions, put in the comment below. That's where we have most of our video topic coming from, all right? We have students that have requested us to do certain area. We have not yet come to those areas. We will come to those, because what we do, we have a student in the area, then we go ahead and do a lesson before going to pick up the student or after picking up the student. But we will cover your area for sure, okay? If you do put a request for a lesson to be done in your area, we have not yet hit that area, but we will. It's 110%, we will. Traffic heavy ahead. This guy really following me close behind. What's going on? on Pitkin Avenue, Brooklyn, New York. Picking up our second lesson for this morning, 7 a.m. lessons. We start lesson as early as 5 a.m. in the morning, 6 a.m. Our first lesson was at 5 to 6:30 was the double up lesson. Then I'm going to my second lesson. Yes, we started that early here at Pierre Driving School. We're here to work. We're here to make sure that we accommodate everybody's schedule, because everybody got a different schedule and they live in Brooklyn. Where they had split, we will split as well, because we go on straight, we have to be on the right side. This is Pitkin Avenue, Brooklyn, New York. I see the school bus on my left side, but it was blinking yellow, so I had my go. Bus is ready ahead, folks. We gotta wait on the bus, okay? Gotta wait on the bus, okay. Whenever you see the bus, deploy, okay, they take it off, all right? I thought this guy in front was going, but he stopped. Never go on this red school bus stop, all right, folks? $580 ticket and 5 points on your driving record here in New York City. And this record never can go off your, and this violation never go off your record. It stay there forever. At the light coming up, we're making a right turn. there you have it, folks. This lesson here was on Pitkin Avenue, Brooklyn, New York. Like, share, and subscribe. Anything else to cover in particular, put in the comment below. Until then, folks, keep practicing. Take care now. Bye-bye.